So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to unlock your Trust Wallet USDT. So here, you want to go to your Trust Wallet. Basically, back then, there was no USDT available here in your Trust Wallet, but now, once you scroll down and manage your crypto, you'll be able to actually unlock USDT already right here. And if you don't have it, you can just unlock it right here, or you can search for it right here, USDT, and it's going to show you all the USDTs that are available in every network. So if you have Avalanche, OP and BNB, and even Avalanche the C chain, or you want the Polygon, you will have to enable those. So now, as you can see, USDT is now available with us. You have a lot of USDT available. So if you want the Ethereum version or the ERC20 blockchain version, you can go with this. So basically, I would avoid Ethereum because my God, look at that gas fee, $29 for gas fees. I would just avoid using Ethereum at all. So basically, if you're using Binance, I would go with the BNB right here or the OP BNB, or you can go with the BNB Smart Chain USDT right here, which is pretty simple with the BEP20 Smart Chain. So there you go. So here in the BEP20 Smart Chain, you can actually just receive right here, and then it will be deposited once you scan this QR code or you copy this contract address where you will be able to send Tether USDT BEP20 to this address. So there you go.